Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next exercise, that is exercise 26C. So let's start. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and this is a line. This line make an angle, this angle be theta in the positive direction of x-axis. What is positive direction of x-axis? If you consider the angle in anti-clockwise direction, this is called positive direction of x-axis. If you consider the angle in the direction of negative axis, that means in the anti-clockwise direction, that is called negative direction of x-axis. So here we measure the angle in anti-clockwise direction. So this is positive direction of x-axis. So this angle is called inclination of the line. This is called inclination of the line. Here, and the tangent value of this angle, that means tan theta, tangent value of this angle, this is called slope or gradient of the line. Slope of the line, and this is denoted by a. And what is y-intercept? The distance between the origin and this intercept point of this line and y-axis, this is called y-intercept. That means this distance is called y-intercept, and this is denoted by c. This is called y-intercept. Clear? So this is called inclination of the line, this angle, and the tangent value of this angle is called slope of the line, and the distance between the origin and intersecting point of y-axis and that line is called y-intercept. Now go to our exercise. Exercise 26C. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and one line is given AB. This is AB line, this is XO, X dash, and YO, Y dash, and this line is AB. Here is given this one is 90 degree, and these two sides are equal given, this side and this side, that means this one and this one, these two are equal given. So here asking you in each of the following find the inclination of the line AB. That means you have to find out the value of this theta. This is anti-clockwise direction, so you have to find out the value of this angle. Clear? Now because this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal, if you consider this triangle, that is POQ, so you can see that this is a isosceles right angle triangle. So in an isosceles right angle triangle, we know that the angles are, one is 90 degree and other two are 45 degree. Here, that means this angle will be 45 degree. So write down here, therefore inclination of the line is 45 degree. Let's see another example. Question number 2. This is x and this is y axis. Now one line is given here, AB. This is A and this is B. Now here similarly given, this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal. That means this triangle is also be a equilateral isosceles right angle triangle. So this angle is 45 degree and this angle is also 45 degree. But you have to find out the y inclination. That means you have to go to the positive direction of x-axis. That means this angle you have to find in anti-clockwise direction, not this angle. This is negative direction of x-axis, this is clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise direction. So you have to find out this angle. So we know that this angle is 45 degree, and how to find out this angle? This is a linear angle, this whole angle is 180 degree. If you subtract this 45 degree from this whole angle, that means 180 degree, you will get this part. So right here, inclination of the line is 180 degree minus 45 degree. So this will be 135 degree. Now go to next one. Question number 2. So question number 2 here asking, write the inclination of the line which is parallel to x-axis. That is, suppose this axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and parallel to x-axis means suppose this line, this is a parallel to x-axis, this is x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash, and this line is parallel to x-axis. So how to find out the inclination? It will be positive direction of x-axis, the angle made by positive direction of x-axis, that means anti-clockwise direction. Look, this line is not any angle formed in positive direction of x-axis. That means here is make zero angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So inclination of the line is of the line is 0 degree. Now go to next one. Write down the inclination of the line which is perpendicular to y-axis. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and the line is perpendicular to y-axis. That means this line, this is perpendicular to x-axis. So this is x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash, and this is AB line. So you have to find out the angle from the positive direction of x-axis, that means this angle. So this angle is, you can see that this is a 90-degree angle. So the inclination of the line is is 90-degree. Now go to next one, question number 3. So question number 3 is given here, write down the slope of the line whose inclination is given. So how to find out the slope of a line if inclination is given? Look at here. This one, slope is equal to tan theta. If angle is given, the tangent values of that angle will be the slope of the line. Now go to our main problem, question number 3, 2. So here angle of inclination is given here 30 degree. Now from here you have to find out the slope of the line. So you know that tangent value of that angle will be the slope of the line. That means m is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to, right here, slope. So you know that tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 be the answer. Now go to next one, question number 4. So question number 4 is given here, find out the inclination of the line whose slope is given. So let us consider question number 4. So let the inclination be theta. So according to question, slope is given, slope is equal to 1 by root 3. So you know that tangent value of theta will be the slope of the line, that means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So you know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by so right here tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree. So compare on both sides, you will get here theta is equal to 30 degree. So in this way you have to do left of the problem in exercise 26C. Thank you everyone.